Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the sensitivity settings on your HORI track control system wheel. So first, open up the HORI Device Manager app. Now here we will have everything, including our shifter, but we're gonna go into the wheel. Now go to steering settings, and here we will have the sensitivity settings. So we can change it from 0 to either a -3 or a +3. It all depends on basically the play style and our preference. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.